Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for waiting. We are now ready to begin the 6th One Health International Forum in Fukuoka. My name is Yamashita. I'll be your moderator today. It is a great pleasure to be here with you. Fukuoka Prefecture is dedicated to promoting the One Health approach and integrated effort to safeguard the health of humans, animals, and our environment. Since its launch in 2020, this international forum has served as a global platform for world-leading researchers to share their latest findings and expertise. Today, we are proud to host our 6th annual event. Now, let me briefly walk you through today's program. We will begin with the opening ceremony, followed by a special lecture and the One Health practice presentation. And then we will break for lunch and reconvene at 1 p.m. to feature the keynote lecture, followed by a general discussion, and conclude with a closing ceremony. To begin, we will have the opening address. I would like to invite Dr. Hiroaki Hasuzawa, Vice Chairman of the Fukuoka Prefecture One Health International Forum Executive Committee and President of the Fukuoka Medical Association. Mr. Hasuzawa, floor is yours. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Thank you very much for your kind introduction. I'm the Hasuzawa of the Fukuoka Medical Association. At the opening of the 6th One Health International Forum in Fukuoka, I'd like to say a few words. On this occasion, I would like to express my gratitude for the people who involved in the preparation and hosting this event. In Fukuoka Prefecture, in December 2013, at the prefecture level, ahead of all other prefectures, Fukuoka Medical Association and the Fukuoka Veterinarian Medical Association has signed an agreement for the promotion of the medical cooperation, academic cooperation. And in 2016, and JVMA and JMA has held the first international conference with the collaboration, and then they adopted the Fukuoka Declaration. So Fukuoka Prefecture, in this effort to promote One Health initiative, is a lot of drawing attention for the initiative. This One Health concept is in a medical field is really important for the improvement of the public health and the AMR prevention, among others, especially a new coronavirus and Ebola virus. This is a zoonotic, the infectious disease, cannot be solved in the one field. So the medical field and the environment should be collaborated to find a solution to it. In Fukuoka Medical Association, also set up the One Health Promotion Committee and doing a lot of the activities to this end. In February this year, such the AMR initiative was the theme of the lecture meeting, and together with the Fukuoka Prefecture and 11 the municipalities in Fukuoka Prefecture, and the medicine and the environment. From these perspectives, we have deepened the opportunity towards the future. So moving forward, we would like to have the close collaboration to disseminate the expansion of our cases of the One Health initiative. And it's not an issue, a challenge for the One Health experts, and it should be widely shared with the wider society. With that in mind, together with the citizens of the prefecture, we would like to realize the effort of the One Health concept. So today we have a special lecture in the morning as thinking about the One Health approach in the climate change. That's the theme of today's today's the morning session. And Dr. Jacqueline Kitton, that's the chairman of the WMA. And in the afternoon, we are holding the four keynote speeches. The Dr. William Sander from Illinois University, and followed by the Mr. Abi Salgar from UN Habitat Laos office. And number three is the Professor Manaki, and distinguished professor in the Urban Initiative in Kyushu University, and also the Professor Sugai. He is AMR Research Center Director, National Institute of the Infectious Disease. So I really appreciate all these presence of the renowned researchers. And in the morning, that the Kurume Chikusui, a high school student, will make a presentation on their practice of the One Health. And during the break, the Jonan High School students and the Fukuoka Kaisei High School students will make a poster presentation during the break. So the younger generations are now appreciating more and more of the One Health, and that is a very encouraging message for us. In this forum, we would like to deepen the understanding of the zoonotic diseases and the environmental issues and the relationship between them. And it should serve as a good opportunity for us to think about the future relationship of in the society between people and animals. That concludes my opening address. Thank you very much.
Next, on behalf of the sponsor, we would like to call upon Mr. Governor of Fukuoka Prefecture, Seitaro Hato, President of the Executive Committee of One Health International Forum in Fukuoka. Good morning, everyone. I'm Seitaro Hattori, Governor of Fukuoka Prefecture. And thank you very much for joining us today in such great numbers at the 6th Fukuoka Prefecture One Health International Forum. I would like to also express my sincere gratitude to all of those who have contributed to organizing this forum, including Dr. Kurauchi, Director of the FABA One Health Fukuoka Office and the President-elect of the World Veterinary Association, Dr. Hasuzawa, President of the Fukuoka Medical Association, and Dr. Kusaba, President of the Fukuoka Veterinary Medical Association, as well as all other stakeholders, and Dr. Yokokura, Honorary President of the Japan Medical Association, Dr. Kakuta, Vice President, and Dr. Ho, President of the Federation of Asian Veterinary Associations, and then also the Honorable Makoto Onigi and Haruka Yoshimura and Yukiko Koga, member of the House of Representatives and Councillors. Well, I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to their participation in this meeting. And we have been enjoying quite precious continued understanding of the strong support of theirs. And this is the 6th forum. And this conference may be called as a kind of a Davos conference in the field of One Health and coexistence of cities and life, a One Health approach in the era of climate change. That's this forum's theme this year. We're going to have a special lecture later by the Dr. Jacqueline Kitto, President of World Medical Association, and as I mentioned before by Dr. Hasuzawa. We have multiple presentations that are given by the quite honorary and precious and prestigious guest. And then from the last autumn, there has been a little extraordinary or unusual weather that is a quite low level of rain, and we need to come up with some action to deal with this situation. But on the other hand, sometimes we suffer torrential rains as well. And when it comes to climate change, this is one of the hot topics, and all the residents living in Fukuoka and in Japan have a lot of attention to this one as well. And against that kind of a background, One Health, this conference should give opportunity for all the people to think about One Health as their own issues. And this year, in order to work together with residents of Prefecture, we started the initiative to set up a One Health Future Conference. At this conference, 20 participants ranging from high school students to working adults are discussing what actions in everyday life can contribute to One Health. And final proposals are expected around May from this conference. So we aim to spread the practical One Health actions and foster a shared spirit across the prefecture of let's all work on this together to create a big wave of One Health. In addition, the prefecture is developing the One Health Center, which will serve as a core hub for these initiatives with the goal of opening it in fiscal year 2027. Amid these developments, yesterday, Prime Minister Takaichi made a policy statement and said clearly that she would promote the initiative of One Health, and that it's a big step for us to move forward to protect the lives of future generations. And people now living in this prefecture and the world, we will continue to advance One Health efforts and contribute significantly to its promotion worldwide. I sincerely ask for your continued support and cooperation. I sincerely hope that this forum will be fruitful, and I wish you all continued health and success. I would like to conclude my remarks with this. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Next, the advisor to the Executive Committee, Speaker of the Fukuoka Prefecture Assembly, and President-elect of the WVA, and Director of the FAVA, One Health Fukuoka Office, Isao Kurauchi, is going to say a few words of greetings. Good morning, everyone. Well, I have I have a variety of titles, and my name is Kurauchi. And I thank you very much for gathering here today in such great numbers, and especially from Tokyo. We have Mr. Kakuta, the Vice Chairman of the Japan Medical Association. And I do understand that you're very busy and during a very busy schedule. Thank you very much for sharing your time. And also we have Mr. Nakao, the Vice Speaker, and also Mr. Matsuo, and also Mr. Shinkai, Mr. Kabashima, and others Assembly members, as well as of the MPs. A number of members of Assembly members of Fukuoka Prefecture have been present. Now, we have of the One Health Fukuoka office, is opened, and some of the members here have participated. And I'd like to extend my heartfelt present to your daily collaboration for the activities. And as the Governor Hattori has mentioned, the Prime Minister Takaichi has clearly declared that One Health is to be promoted in Japan. Well, so far, a tremendous number of people have made efforts, and those efforts are bearing fruit now. The Japan Medical Association, as well as the Japan Veterinary Association, have concluded the memorandum. And in 2016, the second JAKE, the second World Veterinary Association was One Health conference was held, and in 2020, and the ordinance, the first ever in Japan, have been adopted to promote One Health, based upon which Governor Hattori has decided to disseminate the activities of Fukuoka to the rest of the world. And also, we have the Federation of Asian Veterinary Associations. We have the chairman of the association are present, is present. And here in Fukuoka, we also have the office dedicated to One Health, FOF, on this building. The office, One Health Fukuoka office, was opened. And recently, in Miyama City, One Health Center, the groundbreaking ceremony was recently held in Miyama City. And also, we have of the parliamentary, the Assembly Speaker Association also has held seminars for the assembly members, and 37 from Fukuoka participated, and altogether over 500 people participated in that meeting. And also, the One Health promotion, we were able to communicate the importance of the One Health promotion to the national government members, including the Prime Minister. And the One Health Forum plays a very important role, I think. Well, I believe. And Dr. Kitol and all those renowned overseas One Health scholars have participated and will give lectures to us. Now, Fukuoka to Japan, to the rest of Japan as well as to the rest of the world, the One Health is being promoted. Let me take up on the hot topic of infectious diseases. The infectious disease, one country alone cannot solve the problem. We have to be united as one in the world to tackle those issues. Therefore, this forum plays a very important role. Mr. Onoki, though, we have a number of MPs who are present, and hope that they are make further efforts for the promotion of the One Health. And also we have newly elected parliamentary members. And I think it's been just 1 week, some of the members who are at the stage and have been the MP just 1 week, and they are determined to promote One Health. And the first time in 32 years, the World Medical Association meeting will be held, and from which we will be able to disseminate the concept and idea of One Health, which was actually born in Fukuoka, in Japan, in Fukuoka and One Health Center, in FOF, One Health Office. Those are three organizations, and I think actually the One one else really have to be promoted with those organizations in Trinity. So I hope that this meeting will be a fruitful one, and hope at the same time the great health of all those people who are present. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Next, we are honored to receive greetings from our distinguished guest, Dr. Yoshiro Matsumoto. Due to prior official commitment, President of Japan Medical Association is unable to be with us today. So on his behalf, Dr. Toru Kakuta, Vice President of the JMA, will speak. Dr. Kakuta, floor is yours. Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for your kind introduction. I'm Kakuta from the JMA. As our chairperson, Matsumoto, should come, but he is not unable, so therefore I would like to read for him. So congratulations on the 6th One Health International Forum in Fukuoka. I would like to say a few words on behalf of the JMA. And for all of you, thank you very much for making a lot of effort in this zoonotic disease, and also the natural conservation and the countermeasure for the AMR. So the theme is the One Health.
ヘルスと気候変動は一体の関係にあります。人、動物、環境のバランスが
So this is well, I think the One Health idea is very important because it is closely related to the climate change. For example, the infectious disease due to the climate change is getting into the wildlife is getting closer to the residence of the humans, and that would also affect the our health, human health. So in forum, the latest research results from around the world will be shared. So your very deep insights and experience is an asset to build a future generation, the health of the future generations. And I have a high expectation on that. It will be serve as a foundation for the new collaboration beyond the borders. And then the November 2013, the JMA and the JPMA signed the agreement on the academic collaboration. And November 2016, the second, the World One Health, the international forum was held here in Fukuoka. So the Fukuoka declaration was adopted, and this year marks the 10th anniversary of that. Through this forum, all the veterinarians and the medical doctors think the deepening their understanding of the One Health, and also the Fukuoka Prefecture is expected to lead this One Health approach initiative, and Fukuoka will further prosperous in this disseminating this approach to the rest of the world. And for the Japanese students, they are expected to deepen their One Health and have a better understanding on this initiative. In closing, I would like to express the deepest gratitude for those who have contributed to the hosting of this event, and also the healthcare worker. And this forum serves as a very good opportunity for everyone, including the healthcare workers and the students. And Chairman Kichiro Matsumoto, the chairman of the Japan Medical Association. So congratulations again. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, I would like to introduce our distinguished guest joining us today. Kichiro Matsumoto, Kakuta Toru, the Vice President of Japan Medical Association. On behalf of the President of Japan Medical Association, Dr. Kichiro Matsumoto, and the Dr. Yoshitake Yokokura, Honorary President, Japan Medical Association. Dr. Ho Ju-hyun, the President, Federation of Asian Veterinary Associations. Dr. Haruo Nishiyama, the Vice President of Japan Veterinary Medical Association. The Honorable Makoto Oniki, Member of the House of Representatives. The Honorable Wataru Kurihara, the Member of the House of Representatives. The Honorable Haruka Yoshimura, Member of the House of Representatives. The Honorable Hiroki Abe, the Member of the House of Representatives. Mr. Masahiro Sotoma, the Chairman of the Nagasaki Prefectural Assembly. Thank you. And I'd like to present the congratulatory message we have received for today's forum. I would like to congratulate the 6th Sales for International Forum in Fukuoka, a house of the people, animal, and environment to be protected. And this is I hope that this will serve as a meaningful event to disseminate the One Health concept. Taro Aso, the Prime Minister of Japan, Taro Aso. Next message. Congratulations for this event. Recently, there are a lot of the disasters caused by the climate change and the how we are going to protect the people's lives of the people and the animals is the imminent challenge. So the considering the coexistence of the urban life and the environment, I have a high expectation on this theme, and also the chairman of the World Medical Association who is participating, and also the Kurao Isauchi, the president of the prefectural assembly, who will serve as the second chairman of the World Veterinary Association. I hope that this initiative will be more prosperous. Matsuyama Masaji, the member of the House of Councillors. From now on, I would like to just read out the name of the senders of the messages due to the time constraints. Takahiro Inoue, the advisor to the Prime Minister of Japan, and Honorable Makoto Oniki, the member of the House of Representatives. Kurihara Wataru, Honorable Kurihara Wataru, the House of Representatives, and also Satoshi Fujimaru, and also Mr. Hiroki Abe of the Democratic Party of Japan. Mr. Satoshi Oie, and Hanako Jimmy, the House of Councillors, and the Honorable Yukihito Koga, the member of the House of Councillors, and also the Rokuto Shimeno, the House of Councillors, and also Tosho Matsuo, the members of the Fukuoka Prefecture Assembly. That's all. With that, I would like to close this opening ceremony.